Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to add a text to a Flipgrid video. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. If you are a learner or a student on Flipgrid and you would like to add a text to a video, there are a few options to include text with their video submissions. Learners can also leave text comments while responding to a video responses. Go to your Flipgrid account and log in as a student. Once you're logged into a certain topic, go ahead and simply record a video by clicking on Record a Response. Once the camera screen pops out, go to the Effects option at the bottom of the camera. Now, from the menu displayed on the screen, click on Text option. Select your font style, your font colors, your text background, and type in your text that you would like to add. Change the font styles, place it somewhere, and record your video. You'll be able to drag the text throughout the video if you want. With this, learners will be able to upload a picture of their text transcript as a sticker to place along their video. After you're done recording the video, tap on the next button in the bottom right. And now, if you'd like to upload a cover photo for your video, you can click on Upload Photo option and click on the middle of the screen. Select any picture that you'd like to use and click Open. Adjust your picture sizes by dragging it towards the corner of the screen and click on Confirm. One more time, click on the Confirm button, finish the rest of the process and click on Submit. That is how you can add text to a video on Flipgrid. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.